In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method on TikTok Ads account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your payment method is ready so your campaigns can run without interruptions. First, open your TikTok Ads account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you land in Ads Manager. From here, scroll down the page to locate the area where your account options live. Look for Settings. This is where all your account controls are grouped. Inside Settings, find and select Finance. Depending on your region, this section may also appear as Billing, but it leads to the same place where you manage how you pay for ads. Once you're in Finance, choose Payment Management. This is the hub for adding, viewing, and updating your payment methods. Next, click Add Payment Method. TikTok will prompt you to choose between a credit or debit card or PayPal. Pick the option that suits you best. Cards are typically the most direct method and work well for continuous spend. PayPal can be a good choice if you prefer to manage payments from your PayPal balance or linked accounts. Make sure the card you use supports online and, if needed, international transactions, and that the name and billing address match what's on your ads account to avoid declines. Now enter your account details carefully. Double-check your card number or confirm your PayPal login in the secure pop-up and ensure the billing address and postal code are correct. Accuracy here prevents verification issues and failed payments later. Follow the on-screen prompts. TikTok may ask for confirmations or display brief checks to verify your details. If you see a small temporary authorization on your card, that's a normal verification step and usually reverses shortly. Once your payment method is added successfully, you can add balance to your account. You'll see an option within Payment Management to top up funds. Choose the amount that fits your budget, confirm the payment, and wait a moment for the balance to reflect. If your account is set to prepaid, this balance will fund your campaigns. If it's postpaid, your method will be charged as you spend. Either way, you're now ready to run ads. A few quick tips. Keep an eye on the Payment Management page for receipts and current balance. Update your payment method before it expires to avoid pauses. And if a payment fails, contact your bank or switch to your alternate method. That's it. Your TikTok Ads account now has a working payment method, and you're ready to launch and scale your campaigns with confidence.